Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and let me share with you how to soft reset, so how to force restart your device. So this option is very useful if your device do not respond to your touches or swiping, so if the screen freezes and you actually cannot do anything. So in order to force restart your device, you have to press the power button and volume up button and volume down button together and wait until you'll see the black screen. So let me do it. Let's pretend that I cannot do actually anything on my device. So let me press the power button, which is right here, and volume down button together. So let me press it. Just ignore this volume panel and keep pressing it for almost like 5 seconds. Maybe not. As you can see, the screen turns black and I've just felt the vibration. You can right now see the developer logo, so it means that the device will be restarted and it should get back to its normal state, so the screen will respond to your touches. So actually this is it. This is how to soft reset your Samsung Galaxy F12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.